Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be counting down the top 5 best foosball tables available on the market. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, something portable, or the ultimate premium pick, we've got you covered. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's dive in and find the perfect foosball table for your needs. At number 5, we have the Tallow 20 Foosball Table, the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you're looking for an affordable and incredibly portable foosball table, this one might be just what you need. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to store when not in use, making it a great pick for casual players and kids. The design is very straightforward, with a 20-inch frame crafted from wood and a sturdy alloy steel frame for added durability. Despite its small size, the Tallow table manages to pack 12 players onto the field, offering a surprisingly engaging experience for its price point. It's perfect for quick games on the go, whether in the living room or on a picnic table outdoors. However, the simplicity comes with its downsides. The smaller dimensions may not satisfy serious players, and the build quality is more suited for occasional fun rather than heavy use. But for just $32.99, it's an unbeatable value for parents or anyone looking for a starter table. Pros include affordability, portability, and ease of use, while cons include its limited durability and minimalistic features. Coming in at number 4, the Go Sports 32-inch tabletop foosball game set offers a compact yet high-quality experience. This table is slightly larger than traditional mini foosball tables, measuring 32 inches long, which gives players more room for competitive gameplay without requiring a full-size setup. The design is sleek and modern, with an oak finish that blends well with home decor. Its engineered wood frame and durable plastic players ensure that it can handle moderate use. The ergonomic handles make for comfortable gameplay, and the table is easy to assemble thanks to pre-installed players and a handy instruction guide. This is an excellent choice for families with kids or teenagers who are just getting into foosball. While it's a fantastic entry-level option, it doesn't quite compare to the stability and build quality of larger tables. The lack of adjustable legs might make it less suitable for uneven surfaces. But for $59.48, it delivers great value, especially for those seeking a portable, compact, and stylish tabletop foosball game. Pros include its modern design, ease of assembly, and portability, whereas cons include its smaller play area and limited stability. At number 3 is the Sport Squad Foosball Table by Jula. This table strikes a balance between portability and performance, offering a 40-inch playing surface that caters to both kids and adults. Built with engineered wood, it's designed to handle high-volume play while remaining compact and easy to store. One of its standout features is the pre-assembled players on chrome-plated steel rods, making setup quick and hassle-free. The rubber-grooved handles provide excellent grip for precise shots, and the non-marking pads ensure your table surfaces stay protected. At 15 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move around, yet sturdy enough to withstand spirited matches. The table's dimensions make it versatile for both home and game room use, but its compact size might not satisfy hardcore players looking for a more immersive experience. Priced at $68.38. It's a bit more expensive than smaller options, but the build quality and thoughtful design make it worth the investment. Pros include its solid construction, easy assembly, and portability, while cons include its relatively high price for a tabletop model and smaller play area compared to full-size tables. At number 2, the Go Sports 48-inch game room size foosball table delivers a near full-sized experience while maintaining an attractive modern design. With its large 48-inch playing surface, this table is perfect for families or competitive players who want to bring arcade-style fun into their home. The table is constructed from sturdy composite wood, with durable plastic players and foosballs. It features ergonomic handles for precise control and comes with 2 cup holders, so your drinks are always within reach during intense matches. The assembly process is simplified with a detailed instruction manual and an installation video guide, making it user-friendly even for beginners. While the price is not listed, this table is positioned as a premium option in its category. It's built for long-term use and provides excellent performance. But its size requires more space and may not be suitable for smaller homes. Pros include its large playing surface, modern design, and durability, while cons include the need for ample space and the lack of a listed price, which might deter some buyers. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Go Plus Foosball Table. This is the premium pick on our list, and for good reason. At $72.99, it's the most expensive option, but it offers a full freestanding design and a host of features that justify the price tag. This table is perfect for families, game rooms, or even office spaces. The Go Plus table features a 41.5-inch playing surface, 18 realistic player figures, and ergonomic handles for better control. Its stable construction includes 4 supportive legs with non-slip foot pads, ensuring it stays steady during competitive matches. The table is made from high-quality engineered wood with thoughtful design touches like manual scorers and a smooth ball return. The Go Plus table is easy to assemble thanks to its numbered parts and clear instruction manual. While it takes up more space than tabletop models, it provides an authentic foosball experience that avid players will appreciate. Pros include its superior build quality, realistic design, and stability, while cons include its higher price and the space it requires. If you're serious about foosball, this is the table for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.